Somehow it's that time of year again. The leaves have fallen from the trees and the temperature is dropping. But that doesn't mean that you have to stay locked indoors. You can still enjoy the great outdoors even when it's cold. And we're going to share our tips and tricks for staying warm in the winter weather.
These weekend trips are a little bit different. We are going to be out in the wilderness and it's snowing and it's freezing. It's minus 25?
Minus 26 this morning.
Yeah, so we came prepared. A couple of tips for y'all. For y'all who are coming to Canada. The most important thing is not to get the thickest jacket you can possibly lay your hands on. The most important thing is layers. You want layers upon layers upon layers. So we came prepared. Underneath this snow pant, which is waterproof, I have a pair of pajama pants. And
keeping it classy.
Yeah, keeping it classy. I even have extra layer socks if I'm going to do very, very extended amount of hikes, and I do bring extra socks on every single day trip out. You do not. Oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
Just one last thing. You do not want to walk around in wet socks or damp socks. It will give you blisters like there's no tomorrow.
Well, and you'll just be cold and miserable.
Yeah, that's true.
Swamp feet.
Oh.
Ugh. Now, the same thing goes for the top of your body. So we actually bought these Merino Wool shirts from Costco. They are long sleeve and they keep you quite nice and dry and warm.
I am obsessed with these.
We are layering these with lighter sweaters, not fleece sweaters. Again, because you're going to be putting lots of layers on, and as you're hiking, you start to sweat, you start to get warm, and you want to be able to take layers off because you do not, like this, exactly what Andy said, you do not want to be the warmest possible. That will make you sweat, which will make you cold. You want to be able to take off layers and stay at a normal temperature. So we're putting light sweaters on top of these and then our jackets on top of that.
Yep. Speaking of the jackets, they are a good warmth and thickness.
Winter jackets.
Yeah, they're winter jackets. I call mine trash bag jackets because they feel like a trash bag, but something that will prevent water from getting in and will also act like a windbreaker is key.
Also, very important not to forget your extremities, ears and hands.
Oh yeah.
Always wear a hat and mittens or gloves. And on top of that, I mean, we're really bad for this. You should really wear a scarf to protect your face and your nose from wind and cold. We definitely did not bring any scarves with us though.
No, we did not.
But our sweaters do come up quite high.
Yep,
so we can use
my
those.
trash bag jacket comes way up here.
And I think we mentioned this in our Puerto Rico video when we went hiking in the rainforest. Check it out here. Very, very important when you're going on these long hikes in nature where the trails might not be as clearly marked. Always let somebody know when you're starting your hike, because if they don't hear back from you in an allotted amount of time, they know to call emergency services.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I totally forgot to do that. Yeah, gotta call my brother.
I was gonna tell my parents. It's okay.
The other couple of things that people don't really think about when it comes to keeping warm is your lips and your eyeballs. Wear sunglasses. You will prevent what's called snow blindness. So the reflection off the snow on a very sunny day will actually cause you to literally go blind for a couple of days if you stay out for long enough. Now, that's not going to be the case out in these vistas in the mountains, but the brightness is really bad for your eyes, and glasses also protect against the wind. Same with the lips. Vaseline. Don't use things like lip balm. Lip balm is not really going to do much. Vaseline is literally a layer on top of your lips that will really help from keeping your lips going dry. All right, so let us put our stuff on, and we'll see you at the trailhead.